Double team, naghahanap na papasahan.
As we go to the last 2 minutes of the game, brought to you by Tanduay Rum, 5 years Junior Lapad. Tanduay, the #1 rum. At ito na, pagkakataon ng Pierforce by Carriazo with a steal. Big steal by Carriazo. Jojo Lastimosa, pagtawid ng linya, pinaul. At bibigyan po yan ng dalawang free throws. Bong Ravena picking up his 4th personal foul. Ito, yung foul ni Bong Ravena.
Prior to that, a big steal by Alaska as Purefoods was going to its front court. Hinahanap ng Purefoods ang equalizer. But now it's in the hands of Lastimosa to stretch the lead.
Okay. Lastimosa, at nakikita po rin yung mga yan, yung replay, nung steal ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Ang layo na pinanggalingan, no? But he kept his composure. Yan ang masasabi mo rito kay Jeffrey Carriazo. He's all heart.
Oo. Aggressive, tsaka hustle.
Oo.
Jeffrey Carriazo. Yan palagay ko, one of the plays of the day.
Oo.
Ay yung ginawa ni Jeffrey Carriazo.
Dahil ang momentum nasa Purefoods na nun, and they could have taken the lead.
Oo.
At worst, even up the count. Olsen Rosella, look away pass to Bong Ravena. And there's going to be a foul on Jojo Lastimosa.
Bong Ravena sa loob. See that bullet-like pass. Ravena parang kiti-kiti yan eh. Nakakahanap ng to score from up close. And of course, the defense of Alaska is concentrated on Alvin Patrimonio at si Jericho Viniera. Kanya nakakawala ito si Ravena sa ilalim.
Bong Ravena very calmly sinks the first free throw. Cuts the lead down to 3. 77-74. 1 minute, 29 seconds remaining in Game 1 of the Best-of-7 Championship Series.
Well, patuloy ang napakagandang offense ni Bong Ravena. As we mentioned back in the first half, ito si Ravena has been doing great guns in his last 4 games.
Hey.
An average.
Oh! Johnny Abarrientos recovering it at the end line. Forward pass to Bong Hawkins. Hawkins out to Jojo Lastimosa. Lastimosa with a pirouette. Balik ulit kay Johnny Abarrientos. Sabi ni Johnny, huwag tayo magpapanik. Abarrientos! Offensive foul is going to be called on Johnny Abarrientos.
And that's a big call. Abarrientos forcing the action that time. Panurin po natin muli. Yun. He used his shoulder to gain some advantage in possession. Siya tuluyan natawagan ng foul.
We have a timeout by Tim Cone. Sitting on the edge of their seats in Game 1 of the Best-of-7 Championship Series for the All-Filipino Cup for 1996. Ang ating score, labang ang Alaska ng 2 na lamang, 77-75. Kung kayo po ay manis kanina dahil tinatambakan na ng Alaska ang Purefoods ng 18, siguro ang tanong nyo ngayon, teka, ano nangyari?
Ito nangyari. Fourth quarter field goals yung Alaska. 1 out of 16, 6% shooting. And most of the points of Alaska coming from the stripe dito po sa fourth period. At the field goals naman, siguro hindi masyadong maganda rin yung kanilang field goal shooting, but certainly better than 6%, 41%.
Malayo.
Oo.
Okay, pagkakataon ngayon ng Purefoods na either tumabla or lumamang. Kanina pa po sila pinag-iiwanan ng Alaska. But this is a searing comeback by the Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs. And this man has been at the forefront of it. 4 seconds on the shot clock. So has Bong Ravena. Ravena has played an excellent game tonight for the Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs. Illegal defense on Pontuino. So, meron pong technical free throw. Si Alvin Patrimonio. Tatapyasin po niya. Pipilitin niyang tapyasin itong 2 puntos sa kalamangan ng Alaska.
Well, that's a
tapos sa kanila pa bola.
Yes. 1 free throw on the technical by Alvin Patrimonio.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Medyo nakapaggigilalas po itong nangyayari dito. Akala natin kanina, in the bag na para sa Alaska.
Pero yun din ang akala ng Alaska players. Kaya they played complacent. At hindi na sila naging agresibo, no? In the fourth period, they played very tentative.
Evangelista, Toracera. They got 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Remember both teams in the penalty.
Ravena handing it off. Ball goes out in favor of Purefoods. Only 4 seconds on their shot clock.
Ravena actually had the shot elected to pass off. He was already in mid-air.
Just a 1-point lead by Alaska, 77-76. 26 seconds remaining. Cliffhanger na naman po ito. Patrimonio! No! And the loose ball picked up by Bong Hawkins for Alaska Milk. 17 seconds to go. George Lastimosa, sinalibong. Tatawakan po ng foul si Jerry Cordillera. At kaya po na nabanggit ni Kenito Henson. Pareho pong nasa penalty na ang dalawang kumpunang ito. Si George Lastimosa po mag-free throws na dalawang beses.
Well, duty foul yung Jerry Cordillera. Definitely, yung Pure Foods looking to stop the clock. And Lastimosa will try to pad his lead. Marami bang pwede mangyari dito?
Oo, marami.
Ito si Lastimosa, could miss one, could miss two, could make both. If he makes both, tatlong lamang ng Alaska.
Pero pwede
Pure Foods will be, yes, Pure Foods will be looking. Oy! Minintis na yung first, yung front end ng kanyang 2 free throws.
Just a 1-point lead by Alaska Milk with 16 seconds to go. Now a 2-point lead of 78-76, and we have this timeout. We will hang on to the air as medyo kukunti na lang pang oras na nalalagay ito. 16 seconds, 2 puntos sa kalamangan ng Alaska Milk at sa Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs ang bola. Nakikita po ninyo si Coach Chuck Reyes, medyo naglalakad-lakad muna trying to compose his thoughts. At iniisip po niya kung ano pinakamagandang sistema para dito sa kanilang opensa with 16 seconds to go. They're down by 2 in game 1. Kaya po nakikita ninyo ang huddle ng Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. If you just tuned in, si Glenn Capasio po ay pinalabas dahil po sa isang flagrant foul na kung saan ay he hit Bong Hawkins in the face. Kaya po tinawagan sa ng flagrant foul at he was sent out of the playing court. 16 seconds to go. 2-point lead by Alaska Milk. At gaya nga na sinabi ko dito, marami pang pwede mangyari dito.
Oo, well, hindi natin napapakinggan kung ano sinasabi ni Coach Chotres. Wala tayong boom facilities at this point, so please bear with us. Pero siguro ang pinag-uusapan ni Coach Chotres dito is when Pure Foods should go on the attack. Should they wait for the last 5 seconds to make a move for the basket? Should they go for a quick basket and then if they hit the basket, will they give up the foul on the return play? Ayan ang mga options si Coach Chotres.
Ayan po kasi even number eh.
Oo.
Either a 3 ang pinakahuling alternative siguro dyan, a 3-point shot.
Oo, that is one option. Either go strong to the hoop. Maybe if they go strong to the hoop, makakuha sila ng extra bonus on a 3-point play. 7 of Alaska's last 9 points scored by just one man. Si George Lastimosa.
At, well, dalawa lang silang umiscore dito sa fourth quarter para sa Alaska. The other one is June Reyes with 2 points.
Well, importante yung rebound and they have it safely now in the hands of Racela. Remember for Alaska, they cannot afford to foul.
7 seconds on the game clock. Evangelista gets the miss. Inabot kay Jericho Tiguera. No basket, sabi ni referee Moreno. Wala raw. Not counted. Merong foul. Before that shot, si Bong Hawkins ang tatawagan po ng foul. At bibigyan ng dalawang pagkakataon si Ray Evangelista yata ang titira. 2.9 seconds to go. Boy, oh boy, I don't envy this guy. Medyo pressure laden ito. Dalawang po ng dalawang Alaska. Pure Foods down by 2. Ray Evangelista of the TJ Hotdogs at the line with 2.9 seconds. Strip! Pumasok ang una. How much more suspenseful can a game get? At ang tumawag po ng timeout ay si Coach Tim Cone. As usual, we will hang on to the air. And this is another cliffhanger. Another classic in the PBA Championship Series. Game 1 ng ating best of 7 para sa All-Filipino Cup. Isa na lamang ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Meron pang isang free throw si Ray Evangelista. Isa pang free throw. Eh, kung mamigkis niya yan, at makuha nila rebound at mashoot nila, may mananalo sila. Sandali lang, si Coach Tim Cone, pakinggan natin.
Okay? Alright. Edward, ball. Okay? Kevin. Upper Jojo. Alright. Kevin, you got right here. Okay? No. Kevin here. Edward here. Okay? Johnny, over here. Okay? Jeffrey, you're here. Alright, now. If there's gonna be a stone, you want to box out. Edward, come to the net. I'm sorry. Edward, go to the rebound here. Straight to the rebound. Okay? Johnny, on the release, I want you to run and get in front right here. Don't go early now. Don't go early. Malaga. Wait for the release. The ball, get in front of the man right here. Box out. Alright? Jeff, you come behind right in here. Don't go early. You're gonna get the tip.
Might come in for the offensive board.
Kevin!
Going from outside.
Ayan, nadinig po ninyo ang instructions si Coach Tim Cone. Nadinig nyo, marunong magtagalog yan. Si Tim Cone, huwag maaga ang pasok.
Well,
A
if I-
1-point lead by Alaska.
If I understand
Yes.
Coach Tim Cone, I think what he wanted to brush up with his players is kung sakasakali man magpintis ito sa Evangelista, dapat makuha nila yung rebound. Because kung
definitely.
makuha ng Pure Foods yung rebound,
Pwede sila
ang offensive
manalo.
rebound,
Oh.
yes, they can win it outright. So remember, may isa pang timeout itong Alaska. And Evangelista, he misses!
Johnny Abarreta gets the rebound! And they win!
Well, si Evangelista, averaging 55.1% from the free throw line. Kanya siguro, alam ni Coach Tim Cone that in the law of averages, baka magpintis si Evangelista. He designed the play for Alaska to make sure it gets the rebound at hindi makuha ng Pure Foods kung sakasakali magpintis.
Eto, tingnan po ninyo. Well, you can't blame this guy.
Yes.
Talagang napakabigat po ng pressure dito sa tirang ito. Pinasok niya yung una. Eto, muntik pumako ni Alvin actually.
Yes.
Medyo malakas lang yung talbog ng bola, kanya lumusot sa mga kamay niya. Well, whatever it is, nakita po naman natin na kahit ano po pwede mangyari dito sa seryeng ito. The Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs were down by 18. Everybody thought it was going to be a walk over victory by Alaska Milk, pero hindi po ganun ang nangyari at humabol ang Pure Foods. Anyway,